if you want to make a booking in the Google Cottage calendar, you take this address which you see here, https calendar google.com calendar. I'll just copy that, and I'm going to put that into my browser. I'm going to start Firefox up, and here's Firefox. I shall just paste that address there, press enter, and straight away it goes into my account, my Google account. If I show you that my Google account, if I click on that on top right, it tells me that I am now logged in. Close that. Now along the left of the screen, you see the different calendars that I have access to. Richard Newmark, this is my personal calendar, so I'll just deselect the cottage calendar and type Richard Newmark. So this is all my personal stuff, and I don't want to put anything into my personal calendar, so I'll click that off. Now I'll put the cottage calendar up. Now these are the bookings that are in the cottage calendar. I can move my month forward: March, April, May. So let's imagine that I want to put a booking into May from the 5th to the 8th. Just check. The only thing that's ticked is the cottage calendar. Yes. So I click on the 5th and I drag across to the 8th. So I'm going to spend 1 night, 2 nights, 3 nights at the cottage. And I put in my title, Richard arrive 1400, that's on the first day, and depart 1500 on the final day. And I just save that. And that's it done. So I can look, there it is. There's my booking. I can take it away. If I unclick that, it goes away. Click it again. Now let's suppose I made a mistake. I want to delete that. I just click on that, and I have the option of editing that event, so I could change the title, or I could just delete it. So on this occasion, I'm just going to delete it. Click, and it's gone, and it's been saved by itself. So that's all you need to do. That's it, me finished, and that's it, you finished. Bye-bye.